42, proceed to Bay 3 for unloading. Clear.
in the modern industrial world, where every movement is calculated with the precision of a second, a product's journey doesn't begin with the final product, but originates from the silent processes behind the factory doors. Here, raw materials are received, controlled, and fed into a closed-loop processing system, where technology, automation, and human expertise work together seamlessly to create value. Stainless steel pipes extend like the bloodstream of the factory, carrying the raw materials through tanks, reaction chambers, and heating systems. Pressure, temperature, and flow rate are continuously monitored by high-precision sensors, ensuring each stage is stable, safe, achieves optimal efficiency. The indicator lights on the control panel are not just status indicators, but also the language of the entire synchronized production line. At the heart of the process, the raw materials are refined, impurities are removed, and they undergo multiple mechanical, thermal, and chemical processing stages. The dark liquid gradually becomes purer as it passes through the filtration, sedimentation, and crystallization system. Here, precision is paramount, as even a small change can affect the quality of the entire production batch. Technology is accompanied by human effort, engineers and operators, in protective clothing. Always present to monitor, inspect, and adjust. They not only read data on screens but also rely on experience, intuition, and responsibility to ensure that every step strictly adheres to technical and safety standards. Once the product reaches its final state, it is placed on a conveyor belt, shaped, cooled, and sorted. Robots and automated equipment handle the packaging process with high precision, minimizing errors and optimizing productivity. The packages are neatly stacked, ready for storage and transportation, continuing their journey out of the factory to reach partners and the market outside.
Check Sector Gamma. We have an anomaly in the power flow.
Rerouting auxiliary power now.
Acknowledged. Monitoring the downstream effects.
continuous stream of trucks transporting goods reflects the relentless pace of a large-scale production system. Each shipment carries not only the product but also the culmination of technology, discipline, and a commitment to quality, from raw materials to the final product. The entire process is a testament to the power of modern manufacturing, where efficiency, safety, and sustainability are paramount. This is not just a factory, but an industrial ecosystem where every small detail contributes to creating significant value, serving the ever-increasing needs of society today and in the future. Journey doesn't end there. Behind the continuously operating production lines lies a management system built on data and international standards. Every production parameter is stored, analyzed, and optimized in real time, enabling the factory to not only meet current demands but also adapt to future market changes. Performance is no longer a single number, but the result of continuous improvement. Safety is always paramount, from factory design and equipment layout to operating procedures. Every element is geared towards protecting people and the environment. Waste treatment, energy reuse, and emission control systems are tightly integrated, contributing to minimizing the impact on the surrounding ecosystem.
Everything looks optimized since the upgrade.
Yes, the throughput has increased significantly.
Modern manufacturing not only produces products but also takes responsibility for the community and society. Within the factory space, the sounds of machinery blend with the steady rhythm of work, creating an industrial symphony. Every step, however small, plays a crucial role in the overall picture. This seamless connection ensures smooth operation, minimizes waste, and improves output quality. When the workday ends, the production line is ready for the next cycle. Because production is a continuous cycle, each new batch not only builds upon previous achievements but also incorporates improvements accumulated over time.
Rerouting power to the secondary grid now.
Confirmed. Monitor the pressure valves closely.
how the factory thrives, through perseverance, precision, and a long-term vision. From within the factory to the shipments reaching distant markets, the value created lies not only in the tangible product but also in partner trust, customer satisfaction, and a commitment to quality. This is the foundation for a continuously growing production system, contributing to the overall development of the industry and economy. And in that continuous flow, each passing day is a new step forward, where technology, people, and responsibility go hand in hand to build the future.